So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the border color around an image here on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote and you have an image that you want to add a border to, first and foremost, you have to add the border. So press on the image right here, go to the right-hand side, make sure that style is selected, and go ahead and press on border. And first off, add a border. Now, if you want to change the color, simply just go to this color wheel right here. You can select, a stroke color through a bunch of different ways. So you can go ahead and view the pencil crayons. There's the wheel right here. There's kind of the slider. There's the regular colors. You can go ahead and select whatever the case may be. So if you wanted to make it red, for instance, just like that, I'll make it a little thicker so it's easier to see. You have a red border. If you want to make the border cyan, you can do that. Brown, you can select whatever color you want. Basically, play around with it, whatever you have to do. But that is how to edit the border color around an image on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.